Yes, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your ShopPay passkey. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser and open shop.app site into there. Now after doing that, you will get to see this profile icon into the bottom right side. Tap into profile icon and after that go over settings. And now after going into shop.app/account option, and you just simply have to select login and security into here. Now into login and security, first option that you will see is passkeys. Now into this passkeys page, you just simply have to remove your current pass from here, and after removing your current pass you have to add a new one, and this way you can very easily change your passkey. But before that, you have to verify that you are a human, and it wants me to select the jumping animal. And after verifying, you will get a code into your phone number. Just simply enter the code into this box, and now after entering the code, your passkey will successfully be removed from your account. Now you can add a new passkey for your account. Just simply tap to continue and add a new one just like you did before into your ShopPay. This way you can easily change your passkey into your ShopPay. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.